A very good morning to all, respected dignitaries, senior central government officials, members of the media, dear selected candidates and your families, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very happy to be here at the 18th tranche of the Rozgar Mela at Group Center, Pallipuram, CRPF, Trivandrum. This program celebrates opportunity and the bright future of our youth. I warmly congratulate all the selected candidates receiving their appointment letters today and also your families who have supported you all through and are celebrating this event along with us today. Today, more than 61,000 young people are receiving appointment letters at 45 centers across the country, including this center in Pallipuram, Thiruvananthapuram. This Rozgar Mela reflects the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji to empower the youth of India with employment, dignity and a clear sense of purpose. By providing timely and transparent job opportunities, the government is strengthening our human resources and building a more self-reliant India. As you enter public services, you are not only securing your future, but also taking on a responsibility towards our nation. I urge you to work with dedication, discipline, and integrity. Your work will directly impact people's lives and contribute to better governance and national development. I also appreciate the efforts of all central government departments involved in making this initiative a great success, and I thank the media for helping to spread awareness about this important, inevitable effort. Once again, I congratulate the DIG, CRPF and his team for organizing this event, and I extend my best wishes to all newly appointed candidates for a successful and meaningful career in the service of our nation. Thank you. Jai Bharat.